welcome to my channel guys, this is Strawberry Felicia, and don't forget the X to that. So today is it guys, I will show you guys some of the tips. This video was inspired by no, it's hey guys, so welcome to my channel guys, this is Strawberry Felicia. Excellent good. Today I will show you guys some tips. I mean, no, not tips. Seriously, guys. Hey guys, welcome to my channel guys. X guys. So today, be showing guys my own morning routine going to school every Monday. I hate Mondays. If whoever who hate Mondays, please comment down in the comment box below, guys. It's not really about this. Okay. So yeah, guys, you guys should just like comment if you guys love school or not. If you guys have no comments about that, it's okay. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, it's okay. Let's get started. What time is it? What? No. It's Monday morning. Okay, guys. I'll be late in school. Don't mind that. I'm just gonna take a shower. Oh, my toothpaste. I should definitely brush my teeth. It's okay.